I just noticed something faulty. If I were to move it, it starts leaking. Yeah, so I might have to tighten it. I don't know. Let's not set in. That's the second one. Normal. Let's start this one first. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the pause setting. It doesn't go more than that. Okay, so the water regulator is located in the bottom of the shower head. It has this white wagon wheel piece that you're going to have to pull out with pliers or something to grab it. It's going to pop off. When it does, it's going to leave this gray piece still in the hole. The gray piece has nothing that you can grab with pliers, so you're going to have to drill it out. Once you start drilling, this piece is just sitting inside of here. It's going to start spinning with the drill bit. You're going to have to push hard to get the drill bit to catch and go through the regulator piece to be able to get it out of the unit. Once you get through, you'll be able to pull it out because it's going to be stuck on the drill bit still. Be careful when you're drilling that you're holding it at the correct angle, that once you get through this piece, you don't catch the inside of the unit and damage it.
This looks good. Functions really, really good. Yep. You have all these modes. You can operate it with single hand. You have a jet on the top. The quality doesn't feel like metal. I don't think it's metal. It's plasticky, but it feels like solid plastic, something that will hold on to many years. Okay, clean up. Cool.
Alright, here we go with my review of this handheld shower head. Just a second here, turn the water on. Oh. So, I had turned this on here. It's good water pressure. This will be great for doing things like cleaning the shower. Push it to the middle here and it goes back to the shower head. Oh, I'm sorry. You've got a push it all the way over. It's just one continuous stream. Put in the middle, you get back to the shower head itself. So, I don't have the greatest water pressure in the world, but this certainly helps with water pressure issues, I believe, depending on what setting you got at. Works good. Looks good. I like it.
I'm just making this video to show that the secondary holder does support the shower head. Those who are saying it does not, I'm afraid they just installed it upside down. As you'll see, it's wider here and it's narrower down here. So if you try to do it that way, then it's not going to fit. But if you do it right side up, it fits just fine. There's also a little arrow right here at the top. So when you are installing it, which means just attaching or sticking it to the wall, look for that arrow. That way you know you're doing it right side up. It's very stable, very secure.
fuck is that?
Okay, so this shower head, like, is full-blown shower over you, and if you switch this, water comes out at the top up here, and it's like a direct spray, and it, like, I used it to give my dog a bath, and it was actually awesome, but obviously if I switch it now, it's going to go straight up. But know that that is a very cool feature, and I've never had one do that, so I approve.
Does not fit.
Oh, yeah.